Okay,
They
so
whispered
this
to her,
is
cannot withstand the storm.
of
She whispered
July,
back, I
so
am
we're
the
gonna do
storm.
fireworks. This one that I'm holding in my hand is the LG California Rocket Fountain.
Fountain.
Yeah, it's like a rocket fountain thingy, and we're going to do different
Check
fireworks.
out this wedding cake. Now, if you ever seen a wedding cake like that,
Let me see that.
I'm going to show it to Laura.
I know, but look at this wedding cake.
Gracie. That was a good one.
Yeah.
You got a little kick.
That was loud. I wasn't expecting it to go off.
Oh.
Ah!
Stop till it's done. Check out that wedding cake. Oh, wow.
But yeah, we're going to be setting off fireworks for 4th of July, and my camera has a lot of space, so I can record like at least almost an hour.
Are we going to save them for when it gets dark, though? Because it's more fun when it's dark and we can see all the pretty lights.
They just couldn't stand it. They got about 30 minutes.
These ones probably aren't as good as those, but I think I got 3 packages of those.
Ooh, 3 packages of the LC California. Oh!
And 1 margarita, 2 margarita.
I'm gonna get
3
copyright.
margarita will be gone.
This is from a different person. Don't mind the radio in the background.
Hey, it's country music. It's awesome.
They're not my songs. I can get copyright if I don't say they're not my songs. They're not my songs. Because I can get copyright if I don't say that. But now we're going to wait for the next firework to go off.
What?
Okay, so we're going to do like those snaky thingies.
You should maybe put it on that card.
Aww, what are you doing? I want to do one of the snakies. Those are cool.
Did you get some snakes?
Yeah.
Well, the snakes we don't need to do
Snakes and sparklers.
The snakes. I like the snaky.
I should have brought the sparklers so you could make a sparkler bomb.
But the snaky things, I love these things. They're not that exciting, but they're good.
It's like annuals paying back. For $10. This year, we're home for the 4th. Visit Lowe's and make it the best.
Here it is. It looks like a little candy.
While supplies last.
Eat it. I dare you.
No.
Excluding Alaska and Hawaii. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertising. This ad is paid
we
for by
got
Case
this
Legal Aid.
one.
Attention, this is an important message for anyone that
I
has been
wanna put it
diagnosed
right
with cancer
here.
after
We're
using
gonna
such
do it.
products as Johnson & Johnson baby powder and shower to shower. Recent media studies have shown that use of talcum powder can cause
But yeah,
ovarian
I'm
cancer.
gonna wait
If
till
you
we
or a
get
loved one has been
the
diagnosed with ovarian
thing. Okay.
cancer after using these products, then you must call now as you may be entitled to significant compensation. 800-556-7495. In July 2018, a jury awarded $4.7 billion to 22 women whose ovarian cancer was linked to Johnson & Johnson's talcum-based products. Don't wait another day to see if you're eligible. Call us now at 800-556-7495. That's 800-556-7495. Our network of attorneys are ready to fight for you, and you'll pay nothing unless there's a recovery in your favor. Time restrictions may apply, so call now. 800-556-7495. That's 800-556-7495.
Oh, what do you-
800-556-7495. Did you know GEICO is now offering an extra
brewing turds.
It looks like something else.
You ready to back up?
It
looks like something out of somebody's butt.
Actually believe you.
And you're flossing.
Oh no!
Great. And you're cutting down on your
What is that?
Of course.
Wonderful.
Ah!
Right there.
Great.
Oh, I didn't know it was going to do that.
I thought it was smoke bomb.
Limitations apply. Visit geico.com for details.
I didn't know know that's what Mom was gonna do.
It was an exploding.
Still going.
It was an exploding turd.
Oh, that's the double deuce.
It was an exploding turd. It got too warm.
Devices and offers to choose from, like the iPhone 4.7-inch iPhone Max, fastest chip ever in a smartphone for incredible performance in apps, videos, and photography, all for $17 a month. Or the Galaxy S20
That is so
Plus 5G,
weird.
5G connectivity and spacing up to 30 times.
It's getting huge.
For your business, your family, or just for you, our experienced reps can help you connect.
No, don't do that. I wish they actually came in color. I wish the snakes were actually a color. Yeah, we have a lot. Wait, here's the alien thing.
Oh, you don't want to do that right there.
I know, because it like you light it and then it goes up.
Make sure taking care of your summer projects.
Woo. Right now we're just doing the small ones because it's not dark yet. Are we gonna do another?
Oh, it's
snake?
different snakes.
Let's do two
There's
snakes.
rattler. Oh, let's do a rattler. Colored. The colored snake.
Let's do two snakes at the time to compare them and see which one. Don't do that, and I don't know. They look like candies and I want to eat. Whoa, this one looks cool. It's like a purple. It's a purple snake turd thing. Are you gonna like those two? There's two of them. Okay, we're going to do two turds. Oh no, I didn't throw it. Good. We're doing two snakes at a time.
Still hot?
Brought to you by Feeding America and the Advocates. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America. You're not wired to have a response to this sound. You're neutral to it. You hear it every time you feel a feeling, and you never feel anything. But if we were able to associate...
You made it grow.
Save the food. We the truth pulling a natural response from you. Save the food. Why are we doing this, you may ask?
Hey, it says colored. It's still black.
This ad is trying to change your after-meal behavior through brainwashing.
They're kind of satisfying to watch though as they grow.
Rattler.
It's kind of cool how they just expand. I like it.
Save the food to your promoter. Check out live races. So when you hear this sound, rethink your behavior. Cook it, store it, share it. Just don't waste it.
Or they're going to spit on the ground and take off. You don't want to do it on the ground.
Brought to you by NRDC and the Ad Council.
We got a lot of snakies.
I don't want to go over there because then they'll call the cops.
Schools or public places is a federal crime that could lock people behind prison doors for up to 5
Well, the old ones, though,
It's
you don't want to do them in the grass. They take
So
off.
basically it's gonna be like this, and they're supposed to like fling up. So I'm excited for these.
They're supposed to go up. And while they're going up, there's little parts.
Seeing anything over there?
You got the poppets too. You got poppets.
Okay. I want to see what happens when you step on the snakes. Wow. That's actually so cool. Whoa. Hey, I like that.
You know, leftovers from last year.
What is that?